Just going to do a short vlog on what paper tickets look like when travelling around on New South Wales public transport before they got phased out with the Opel cards. So let's begin. First one is the train tickets that you used to use on City Rail and Sydney trains back in the day. They look like. Next one is bus tickets. They were blue on Sydney and Newcastle buses because they're basically run by the same company. So I'll show you what those look like. Different bus companies had their own bus tickets. Here's the back of the train ticket, what it looks like on the back. It's got City Rail written on it. And the next one along is the pensioner all area, which is a pension card one. Gets you round on buses and trains with this ticket. Same with the train one, you can use it on a bus as well. So they were very handy to have, either one train or bus ticket on a 250 pensioner only. No other tickets can get you around on other transport than the transport that they're aimed for, but on the 250 pensioner ones they did. And then here's what the 1 hour concession pass looks like on the back, and same on the front on both the 250 and 1 hour concession. They're blue like that. So yeah, and then fast forwarding to today, you got your adult Opel cards. So that's what we use now. So anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, bye for now.